Well, Bitcoin is a bloodbath right now, and I guess we're going to have to take a look at where we can head, what's going on with this price action, what's going on today, because we got Mr. Chair Powell coming at us at 2 p.m., 2:30, I believe. So taking a look at the price, I mean, we've come down to that daily dynamic reactor that we were talking about on the live stream. Okay, we're there. We said 56,650 as our lowest that we thought we were going to go last night on the live stream. You can quote me if you want, quotations. Alexo Cryptos, 56,650. It came a little bit lower, but I was pretty bang on, $100 off. Okay, so we've come down. We have bounced, kind of, not really. Okay, so it's going to be a doozy today, because if this interest rate decision comes in like, let's say 5.7, could be ugly. Okay, we do have JOLTS job openings in manufacturing as well this morning, and then if this guy says anything that's negative, which typically does happen, we could see lower. Okay, we could see lower coming back within this range here. Our beautiful 52,000 area. Okay, there's a naked point of control right here. Let's mark it off and mark it out and POC, just so that we're prepared as a community, as a group. So if you're new here and you don't have a community, or maybe you have a community and they're absolutely vile and they're not fun, like us. They don't give you free trade signals. Maybe they don't have a whole bunch of wonderful, cute otters saying good morning to you. Well, this is the channel for you. Join the free Discord. We'd love to have you. We have TA. We have trade signals. We have lots of resources. A lot of good people helping people grow together. So come and hang out on the Discord. Now you can see big push down. Okay, big push down, descending channel right here, losing the key $60,000 support. Okay, so typically what do we look for on something like this? I will look for the retest continuation. Okay, something like that. Will we get it now? Probably not right now. I expect a little bit of a bear flag and then a continuation. Okay, and we look to come back down to this level here. We also have passed down. I think we're at the 786 now, so let's go up here and let's check this. Yeah, so we're approaching the 786. For me, I'm not too concerned about that. We blasted through the golden pocket last night. Wake up, good morning. Here is a lower Bitcoin price. Now, is it time to panic? Well, let's check the fear and greed, because a lot of people are getting scared. Okay, we're getting 54. We're neutral. We're not. Remember, we were in extreme greed at $72,000. Okay, so is this good? Shaking some people out. What is your conviction? What is your long-term trading plan? Right? Ask yourself that. Are you looking to hold till 2025 like a lot of us? Then you should be okay. This is typical Bitcoin price action. Okay, 24%. 24%. So let's get into the top-down market cipher analysis. What are we looking for? And how can we trade this bad boy? Because it is dumping. Okay, so you can see here that we have clearly come down to our box right now. We could come down to this naked point of control area. However, let's hold our box. Let's see if we do get any sort of reversal pattern. We were talking about reversal patterns yesterday where, you come down, you bounce, right? You make maybe a lower low, bullish divergence, then you make a higher high and a continuation upwards, okay? You want to see structure being formed, maybe a lower low, bullish divergence. Maybe this is a string of higher lows, okay? Maybe, just maybe, we're clearing previous structure. So we're breaking this structure to the upside, therefore returning back down. This is where you're looking to jump into that trade, okay? Depending on what time frame you trade on, that is where you're looking to trade, right? So if you were looking at this big, and it applies to every time level, right? So you're pushing up here, you push, you don't make a higher high, you're continuing here. This is your signal, okay? This one right here, taking out these lows, coming back up, retesting here. This is your short, right? Golden pocket rejection level that we talked about as well, right? Look at that, coming up, rejection, and down we go. Okay, so it's just on a long-term time frame. You can do this on a 3-minute time frame if you so please. Okay, sometimes I even do that. So looking at the daily is overextended to the downside. Money has come out. Okay, so this is not looking good. 3-day, I wanted to check the 3-day. Okay, so deep momentum wave, deep VWAP. Okay, a lot of these things are just curling down. Okay, so we are prepared for that. Now, when we get a deep anchor wave like this, okay, we can look for some consolidation, but higher lows is what we want to see, and then we want to see an anchor trigger wave. Basic market cipher strategy. Now, if you do not have market cipher, we do have a 20% discount code down below if you want to use it, AlexO20, okay, and supports the channel that way. But we are looking for that anchor trigger wave this way. However, money coming out so aggressive is not looking too good. Okay, so today we have Chair Powell. We have all those readings. Today's probably a good day if you're new to trading to sit out, watch the fireworks, watch the dollar index and Bitcoin at the same time. That's how you learn how to trade these days. Okay, so you can see that the Dixie has gone on an absolute tear. Okay, inverse correlation with Bitcoin. Okay, so when Dixie goes up, Bitcoin goes down. Okay, and you can see we've broken out of this trend line. You look for the retest and then the continuation. Just like any other TA, you're looking for general. This is a very nice bull flag, pushed out and onwards, right? So today it'll be a lot more volatile because or data readings are coming in and Jerome is speaking, but it can be a leading indicator. So once it starts moving one way, we can look for Bitcoin to move the opposite. Okay, and that's another way that I like to track very news-filled, data-filled days that could help me put some edge on my side of my trades. Okay, so clearly a rollover here, clearly fear in the market. So let's go into the 12-hour. The 12-hour, very deep momentum wave, money coming down, aggressive as well. My hopium right now is that we are very cooked down below here on our stochastics. We have switched to green, so if we can start to make those higher lows on stochastics, this to me is a very, very good sign for some upside in the long term. Okay, very good. Okay, let's go over to the 4-hour. And the 4-hour, we're finding a little bit of support. Okay, so this is going to be interesting to see if we can get money coming back into the markets. Right now, it's very aggressive out, so we want to see money coming back into the markets. However, right now, it's red, it's ugly, it's trying to shake everybody out. So don't be one of those people. Don't just go and sell your bags. Just understand the cycle and what's going on right now. We have a time horizon, and time horizons are important. Okay, looking at this, we're getting a little bit of a pushback. Not enough to say, hey, we're going back up. Okay. Now we know that 60,000 is going to be an extremely hard level to get above. Okay. Hard level to get above. I'd say around 60,800. Okay. Let's also zoom out. I have some key areas for you guys. Okay. We have that dynamic reactor. We have our naked point of control. We also have, we're pulling out the 50,000 to 65,000 levels. Okay. So we also have some levels down below. So make sure you add these to your charts. But you can see we've bounced off quite nicely off of here. But add these levels to your charts. I will share this in the Discord. Now, if you're new to trading and you need an exchange to trade on, we are sponsored by BloFin. We do have an amazing sign up bonus for you if you deposit blah blah blah. You make, and it's actually like legit. A good sign up bonus. Unlike a lot of people, you need to some of them you need to like put in $100,000 just to get $100 back. If you want to support us, that would be great. You can trade using the link down below, but join us in the Discord as well, because I mean we upload all of the goodies all the time so that you are prepared as a trader as well. So you can see here we have all of our levels on the right hand side. That we look for a reaction of price, okay, and these have been taken from previous ranges, from the previous highs, transferred over as key levels of support and resistance, where we look for price to have a reaction. Right now, we're looking for a bounce, pushing back up, probably retesting 58,800 here, and continuing downwards. So we need to be prepared for that, okay? But right now, blood in the streets. The best way to trade this right now is to not trade it, because that's how you save your money, okay? Sometimes no trade is the best trade. I look for something like this and continuation back down to our naked point of control, which would bring the price down another $4,000-ish dollars, okay? Scary, scary, scary. Any sort of pushback, we're going to be ideally looking for shorts. So we have this level here. We can pull a fib from the swing high to the swing low. Oof. See, that matches up quite nicely here. So we're going to have a lot of red squares on our chart today, just preparing for the continuation of that short of the dump. Okay, continuation of the dump. You can see from swing high to swing low here. Same kind of deal. We want to isolate price and look for that reaction as well. We want to keep our charts nice and neat for you guys, that we can all look for this as well. Geez, it's ugly today, guys. It's ugly, but it's nothing to panic about. That's the thing. I want to be a voice of hopium, I guess. Would it be hopium? No, it's not really hopium. It's just like, be centered in yourself. Understand your game plan. Understand that we will know. We will know by the charts will tell us if it's time to get out and run to the hills, okay? We will be prepared. However, thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. It means a lot to me. Guys, smash those like buttons. Drop a comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's be patient. Let's let price come to us. We're looking for reactions of price within these areas here. Let's see if that happens. Longs right now, we need to see structure being formed down below, okay? We need to see that healthy correction, that higher high, higher low, higher high, onwards and upwards, okay? We need to see key highs taken out. We have simply come over, dropped out, rolled over, dropped out, rolled over. So be patient. Let price come to you. Much love to every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you guys on the live later at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Peace.